Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix YouTube slow loading and lagging. So if your YouTube is not working as expected on your Windows 10 or 11 system, I have a couple of solutions for you. The first step is to open our Google Chrome web browser and then we will go to our browser settings. We can do that by tapping on these three dots at the top right corner of the screen and then select this settings option. Once we are on this page, we will click on this system section at the left side of the screen and then we have to turn off this use hardware acceleration when available option. When we disable this, simply relaunch your Google Chrome web browser in order to apply the changes to your browser. Another solution to this problem is to disable all the Google Chrome extensions that we don't need. If you have a lot of them enabled, they can use quite some resources from your browser and your PC. So we will open the extension section at the left side of our screen and then we will disable or turn off all of the extensions that we don't need. If you have a VPN extension like I do, that can also cause some lagging or slow loading times. So disable the VPN in Google Chrome and see if this works for you. And also turn off the extensions which you don't need. We can also check if our Google Chrome browser has any pending updates. Select this About Chrome button and just make sure that you have the latest version of the Google Chrome web browser installed on your device. New updates can fix bugs and other performance issues that you may have in the browser. So make sure to update Google Chrome regularly in order to fix your YouTube issue. I have a couple more solutions for you if these didn't work for you. The next thing you can do is to clear your browser history and cache files. Select the privacy and security section at the left side, then clear browsing data, and we will select to clear the history and other data from all time. This is going to refresh your browser a little bit and hopefully get rid of all broke files and data that caused the issue with YouTube. Just keep in mind that this will also log you out of all the websites that you are logged into. So if you don't know the password and email addresses, maybe you should skip this step. The last solution which I have for you is to reset all the Chrome settings. Tap on this reset settings button and then you will see this restore settings to their original defaults, and a window will pop up with a message that will say what this action will do. You can read this if you want to and just hit this reset settings button. After this step, you want to exit Google Chrome and relaunch it again and navigate to youtube.com. After you have done all of the steps, your YouTube player shouldn't lag anymore and loading times should be normal. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.